Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how we'll apply for a cash loan using Mabiliscash app. This tutorial is straight to the point, so just follow everything I say. Let's begin now. Step 1. Search Mabiliscash app. Install the APK from a trusted source. Step 2. Open the app. It may require some phone permissions. Step 3. Tap Sign Up. Create your account to start applying. Step 4. Enter your number. You'll get a code for verification step. Step 5. Type the code. Make sure it's typed in correctly. Step 6. Fill your details. Personal info first, then work details. Step 7. Upload your ID. Pick one valid government-issued ID. Step 8. Take a selfie. Face the camera with good lighting. Step 9. Add your contacts. Usually 2 references like family or friend. Step 10. Submit your form. Check all info then submit now. Step 11. Wait for review. Usually takes minutes if info is complete. Step 12. Loan gets approved. You'll see the amount you can borrow. Step 13. Receive via Gcash. Money goes straight to your account. Step 14. Pay on time. Avoid penalties and future loan blocks. Step 15. Track loan status. Use the app to monitor everything. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel Tolentino. Subscribe right here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.